Hey guys, it's Jen and I'm super excited about this look. I decided to do something a little bit different. I wanted to do a full face using a single brand, and what better one to start off with than Fenty, which I've heard so many things about. I've tried just a little bit here and there and I've been pretty impressed overall. So I wanted to do a first impressions and have an entire face of Fenty so I could share with you guys what I thought and see what I could come up with. And I'm really excited about this look, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned if you want to see how I first impressioned this face. Alright, I'm going to be starting off with the base. This is the Soft Matte Pro Filter. I think it just comes in the one pinky shade. It has like a really slight scent to it, nothing too strong or uncomfortable. It's like a really light powdery scent, but it kind of has like a lotiony texture to it. I feel like that went on pretty easily. Then I'm going to do a foundation. I have two different shades because I wasn't sure exactly what my color would be. I feel like I swatched 180 and it ended up oxidizing really dark on me. So I think I'm just gonna see. Those are the two colors. I mean, if I just look a little tan in this video, it's because I didn't get a perfect shade match, but I guess that's why we're doing these videos, right? 180 is the one that's more yellow. So I'll try 190. It does say to shake before using, so I just did one little squirt. So far so good. I feel like this is a medium texture. It's more on the liquidy side but not runny, but also not like so thick that it's creamy. So it's spreading pretty well. And this is looking like a little bit of a white cast on my skin, but based on how the other foundation reacted, I'm just assuming it's going to oxidize and get a little bit darker. And then next I have this little concealer stick. This is the Stix Matte Skin Stick. So I'm assuming it's like concealer-ish, and I'm using the shade French Vanilla. So let's pop this under the eyes, brighten down the nose, maybe here. This shade is a little bit light, so I don't know that it's working as well for spot concealing like acne or anything like that, but it's blended in really nicely for the areas that I just wanted to do a little bit of like highlighting and brightening like the under eye area. It's a little bit of a drier creamy formula, if that makes sense. So I think I might just go back with the foundation and give some of my spots that show through an extra hit of coverage. Just pat it in. Next, let's do a little color action. I have another matchstick. This is a Shimmer Skin Stick in the color Chili Mango, which is a bright orange. This feels like the other skin stick, so a little bit on the drier side as well. What I always feel paranoid about with cream blushes though is that when I dab it into my cheek, it's gonna like mess up the coverage I already did. But if you have like really clear skin or like an even skin tone, then I feel like this would be like a really quick and easy blush option. It's not bad. It doesn't feel greasy or anything. I really can't feel it on my skin. So that's nice. And it has a little bit of iridescent golden sheen to it. I don't know if I would do this every day, but it seems like a really great like pop of color on the cheeks thing. Might move on to the eyes because I got this Island Bling 2-in-1 liquid eye shimmer that I've been definitely wanting to test out. This is a Doe Foot Applicator liquid eyeshadow. It has this nice bronzy color. I don't have any eye primer on, so that'll be interesting to see how long it stays on for. It's really pretty. Kind of like the idea of one product eye though, very low maintenance. I don't know why I always have to move my mouth when I'm putting eyeshadow on my eye. If you do the same thing, give this video a thumbs up. I have to intentionally control my mouth to not open up. There's this golden color on the other side, so I think I want to do a little inner corner highlight with this. Ooh, this is a lot brighter than I thought it would be. This is really fun. It almost has like a green iridescence to it. Very sparkly. Maybe I went a little overboard with the sparkly there. Glitter is not an exact science. Once it has some like eyeliner and stuff on it, I think we'll be good. I'm gonna go ahead and do some of my normal eye things. Trusty Kat Von D eyeliner. I'm just now realizing I'm using exclusively cream products so far, which I usually don't do. Also because the foundation, I haven't set it with anything and it's looking very satin matte finish. Popping on my Cannonball Mascara. Brows. This is my Hourglass pencil in Soft Brunette. I love this pencil. I can do my brows without my mouth opening up. I wonder what the difference is. Maybe it's just from here down. Popping on some false lashes. I got a couple of highlighters. This one's like your traditional strobe type highlighter, and then this one's a super fun one. I want to experiment with this orange one because it's like so crazy, and I haven't used it as a highlight before, but then this gold is also like calling to me. I feel like I should have used this as eyeshadow. Maybe I'll do a combo of both. Woo! That is super pigmented. Oh, that's really cool. I love that. Not for the faint of heart. So definitely having a very shiny, dewy highlight look. I like doing this a little bit above my brow because I'm weird like that. I just like it. Maybe I'll do the less crazy one for my nose. And then for this shade, I feel like it's kind of blushy almost. So maybe I'll just take this blush brush and see if I can do a little extra pop of oranginess. That's kind of fun. It's like definitely not a typical shade I would reach for. My cheeks are as reflective as the sun. That gold is like, it's nice. I don't think I have anything like that. Actually, now I'm getting inspired. I feel like I want to do a little pop of that orange color, which is from the Mimosa Sunrise Sangria Sunset Killawatt foil. So you can sort of see it above the brown. It's very, very metallic. Moving on to the lips, I have this Mademoiselle plush matte lipstick that I picked up. Looks like a very raspberry-ish shade. So I hope this isn't going to clash too much with the oranginess. Wow. That is super, super opaque. Like, you know when you kind of talk and you feel really conscious of it because you don't want the color to get on your teeth? I'm like in that mode right now. Trying really hard to get the edges even because this is like just really, really pigmented. This color is so pretty. Conclusion, I actually think these lips look super amazing with the orange. I thought it might be kind of clashy, but I love it. I don't think this is like an everyday kind of look for me because it is very metallic, very reflective, especially the cheeks. It's really heavy on the highlight, and the eyes are definitely like more orange than I would tend to go for. I love the lipstick. I could see the lipstick working with a lot of different looks and just being the statement. But you know what? I think that this golden cheeks situation is giving me life. Oh, I do have one more thing. I have a blotting powder. Universal Invisimatte blotting powder. Normally I would use a brush. It does come with this little pad. I'll go with the brush. Sometimes I feel like weird. I use it once and it gets dirty and then I don't want to use it ever again. Is that just me? I don't know. The foundation looks pretty good without any setting powder, to be honest, but maybe this will make it like last longer. I'll stick closer to the middle of my face so I'm not like going over too much these like nice glowy cheeks. Yeah, I don't feel like it added too much of a white cast, maybe just slightly, which makes me wonder about like darker skin tones. But I mean, it is Rihanna's collection, so she probably intentionally went with a powder that would work on darker skin tones without giving a white cast. That's just my assumption. I think it looks pretty normal on me. Yeah, so I guess that is my full face of Fenty. Honestly, I am loving this look like 10 times more than I thought I would. I just didn't quite know how all of the strong colors would end up. Sometimes there are some makeup collections where it only looks good if you already have perfect skin. It only looks good if you just like need something quick and easy on the go. But like, I'm not that person. I need a little bit more coverage for my spots, and I still think this ended up looking so nice. I like that it's pushing me outside of my comfort zone, but it's super fun. I feel like I would actually recreate this exact look and wear it out again. Yes, highlight. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying on all this Fenty stuff. Full face of Fenty. If you guys liked this and you want to see me do more videos like this where I just sort of like use one full brand for a whole look, let me know that down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't already subscribed to the channel and you want to see more videos, feel free to subscribe and make sure you have those notification bells turned on so that you know when my next videos are coming out. I had so much fun. I hope you guys did too, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!